Woo! What a messy, dirty, and smelly freezer! Yucks! What a fishy smell! Wow, this is clean, tidy, and fresh. I must get this freezer storage box. This transparent box came with water drain plate that separate water and keep your food fresh and dry. Suitable for all kinds of food such as seafoods, fruits, fish, as well as all kind of meats. Came with 3 sizes that meet your needs. Great design that's stackable to save space and make your freezer look neat. After using this storage box, your freezer looks hygiene, odorless, and neat. No more messy and smelly freezer. Check out now. This product is brought to you by HomeBuddyPro, comfortable and quality.